How to motorize a bike. Motorizing a bike can be a fun and exciting way to enjoy the benefits of cycling while adding an extra power boost. There are several ways to motorize a bike, from using electric bike conversion kits to installing gasoline-powered engines. BSXInsight will provide a step-by-step guide on how to motorize a bike using an electric bike conversion kit in this article below. We also cover everything from choosing the suitable kit to installing the motor and battery so that you can enjoy the thrill of a motorized bike ride. What you'll need to prepare: bike motor kit, measuring instruments for petrol and oil, spray lubricant, WD-40 is good, zip ties, starter fluid, pliers, screwdriver, wrench. How to motorize a bike. 1. Choose a bicycle and buy bike's motor kit. The first step in motorizing your bike is to choose a suitable bicycle and purchase a motor kit. As mentioned earlier, you want a sturdy bike that can handle a motor's added weight and power. A mountain or cruiser bike can be a good choice, as they are typically more durable than road bikes. When choosing a motor kit, consider the type of motor you want. Gas-powered engines are typically more powerful but heavier and louder than electric motors. Electric motors are quieter and better for the environment than gas-powered engines but may not have as much speed or range. You'll also need to consider how big the engine and battery are, since more significant engines and storms will make your bike heavier. After choosing your bike and motor kit, you can start assembling the parts. 2. Attach engine fitting to the bicycle. The first component to install is the engine fitting. This is typically a metal bracket that attaches to your bike's frame and holds the engine in place. To install the engine fitting, you must remove the pedal crank and chain from your bike's bottom bracket. To do this, use a wrench to loosen and remove the bolts holding the pedal crank. Then, use a chain tool to break and remove the chain from the bike. Next, attach the engine fitting to the bottom bracket using the bolts provided in the motor kit. Tighten the bolts to ensure the fitting is firmly attached to the bike. 3. Attach the sprocket to the bike. The next step is to attach the sprocket to the bike. The sprocket is a toothed wheel that connects to the engine and drives the bike's rear wheel. To attach the sprocket, slide it onto the rear wheel axle and secure it using the bolts provided in the motor kit. Be sure to align the sprocket with the chain to ensure proper operation. 4. Attach the spark plug to the engine. The next component to install is the spark plug. This is a small component that ignites the fuel in the engine and generates power. To install the spark plug, locate the spark plug hole on the engine and insert the plug. Use a spark plug wrench to tighten the plug securely, being careful not to over-tighten it. 5. Assemble the clutch. The clutch is an essential component that allows you to disengage the engine from the rear wheel when you're not using it. To assemble the clutch, first, attach the clutch lever to the handlebars of your bike using the clamp provided in the motor kit. Then, attach the clutch cable to the lever and route it to the engine, securing it in place with the clips provided. 6. Attach the drive chain. The drive chain connects the sprocket on the engine to the sprocket on the rear wheel, transferring power from the engine to the bike. First, remove any excess links using a chain tool to attach the drive chain. Then, attach the chain to the sprockets, ensuring it is properly aligned and tensioned. 7. Set up the accelerator. The accelerator controls the engine speed and allows you to increase or decrease power as needed. To set up the accelerator, attach the throttle grip to the handlebars of your bike using the clamp provided in the motor kit. Then, route the throttle cable to the engine, securing it in place with the clips provided. Be sure to test the throttle before riding to ensure it functions properly. 8. Install everything else. Finally, it's time to install any remaining components, such as the fuel tank, carburetor, and air filter. Follow the instructions in the motor kit to install these components and carefully route any cables or hoses correctly. You may also need to install a battery if you're using an electric motor and a charger to keep the battery powered. 9. Put fuel in and enjoy your homemade motorized bicycle. Once you've installed all of the components, it's time to add fuel, if using a gas-powered motor, and test your new motorized bike. Start the engine and let it warm up for a few minutes before riding. Be sure to wear proper safety gear, including a helmet and protective clothing, and follow all traffic laws and safety guidelines. As you ride your new motorized bike, Monitor the engine's performance and make any necessary adjustments or repairs as needed. With a little patience and know-how, you can create a reliable and fun motorized bike that will take you on adventures and save you time and energy. Reasons to build a motorized bicycle. 1. Commute. A motorized bike can be an easy and cost-effective way to get around if you live in a place with heavy traffic or limited public transportation choices. With a motorized bike, you can easily navigate through traffic, avoid the cost of having a car, and lower your carbon footprint. Plus, a motorized bike can help you save time on your journey and allow you to arrive at work or school feeling fresh and energetic. 2. Get a new hobby or learn a new skill. Building a motorized bike can be a fun and rewarding hobby that allows you to learn new skills and tinker with machinery. From selecting the right components to assembling the bike, many steps are involved in the process of building a motorized bicycle. Plus, once your bike is up and running, you can customize it to your liking, experimenting with different components and designs. 3. Build an off-road bike. Building a motorized bike can provide an exciting new way to explore the great outdoors if you're a fan of off-road adventures. With a motorized bike, you can navigate through rugged terrain and reach remote locations that would be difficult to access on foot. Moreover, you can customize your bike with off-road tires, suspension components, and other features. Then enhances its performance and durability. 4. Hit the racing circuit. If you're a fan of competitive sports, building a motorized bike can provide an opportunity to enter the exciting world of motorized bike racing. Whether racing on a dirt track or a paved circuit, a motorized bike can provide a thrilling and competitive experience. Plus, with the right components and modifications, you can enhance your bike's speed, acceleration, and handling, giving you an edge over the competition. 5. Turn it into a business venture. Building and selling motorized bikes can be a profitable and exciting venture if you're an entrepreneur or looking to start a new business. With the growing demand for alternative modes of transportation, there is a market for motorized bikes that are affordable, reliable, and stylish. By building and selling motorized bikes, you can tap into this market and provide a unique product that meets the needs of commuters, off-road enthusiasts, and sports fans. Building a motorized bike is a worthwhile project? Building a motorized bike can be a worthwhile project for several reasons. Learning opportunity. Building a motorized bicycle can be a great learning experience that can teach you about mechanics, electrical systems, and how to use various tools. Customization. When you build your motorized bike, you can customize it to your liking. You can choose the frame, motor, and other components that suit your needs and preferences. Cost-effective. Building your motorized bike can be a cost-effective alternative to buying a pre-built one. You can save money by purchasing the components separately and assembling them yourself. Eco-friendly. A motorized bike can be more environmentally friendly than a car or motorcycle. You can also choose eco-friendly components, such as electric motors, by building your own. Fun and rewarding. Building a motorized bike can be a fun and rewarding project that gives you a sense of accomplishment. You can take pride in your creation and enjoy riding it. FAQs. How do I choose the right electric bike conversion kit for my bike? When picking an electric bike conversion kit, consider your bike type, money, and riding needs. Look for a kit compatible with your bike and with the features you need. How fast can a motorized bike go? The speed of a powered bike will depend on the motor type and the battery's power. In general, most electric bicycles can reach up to 20 to 28 miles per hour speeds, while gasoline-powered bikes can reach up to 40 to 50 miles per hour speeds. What are the benefits of a motorized bike? The benefits of a motorized bike include the ability to travel longer distances, ride hills or against headwinds with less effort, and take heavier loads. Is it legal to ride a motorized bike on the road? The legality of riding a motorized bike on the road will rely on your area and the type of bike you have. Electric bikes are legal on the street in most areas, while gasoline-powered bikes may not be legal in some areas. How do I maintain my motorized bike? To keep your motorized bike, regularly check the motor, battery, and controller for any signs of damage or wear, and repair any old or damaged parts. Also, keep the bike clean and lubricated, and follow any care directions the maker gives. Can I convert any bike into a motorized bike? In general, most types of bikes can be changed into motorized bikes using an electric bike conversion kit or a gasoline-powered engine kit. However, it's essential to choose a kit that is compatible with your unique type of bike. Conclusion. In conclusion, motorizing a bike can be a fun and exciting way to enjoy the benefits of cycling while adding an extra power boost. By choosing the fitting electric bike conversion kit and following the steps outlined in this article, you can easily motorize your bike and enjoy the thrill of a motorized ride. Remember to choose a kit compatible with your bike and your riding needs, properly install the motor and battery, and follow safety guidelines when riding your bike. With a little effort, you can enjoy the freedom and excitement of a motorized bike ride while still getting the exercise and health benefits of cycling.